To clean or replace the bypass poppet on your G20, turn the pump off and disconnect the pump from power. Using a 5mm hex wrench, remove the cover plate from the pump. Using a 10mm hex wrench, remove the pipe plug from the cover plate and remove the bypass poppet spring, O-ring, bypass poppet, and orifice seal. Inspect the O-ring and ensure it is not damaged, swollen, or loose fitting. If replacement parts are needed, they can be ordered through our website by scanning the QR code on the side of your pump with your smartphone. Coat the O-ring with light grease and reinstall. Using a clean cloth, wipe the poppet components and replace them into the pump. Then reinstall the cover plate onto the pump housing. Ensure the O-ring is securely seated before tightening the cover plate.